दूसरा सर्टिफिकेट है और मे भी मुझे लगता है कि मैं तीसरी बार के लिए भी तैयार हूँ। हो सके तो स्पीति वैली और मे भी अगर मोटो टूर भूटान जा रही हो या नेपाल जा रही हो, प्लीज़ कॉल मी, आई एम रेडी एनी टाइम।
Welcome to Arunachal, Tawang, Guwahati. This is our very first batch that we're doing with Moto Tour Ladakh, and you guys are a part of it. So thank you so much for being here first of all, and kudos to you as well that we both are doing this Tawang trip together for the very first time. So yes, kudos to that and cheers.
Definitely one of the things about Moto Tour is that they are venturing into the northeast, which is an unexplored path, so it also shows their drive for new exploration and new terrain. So it gives us also a kind of a push, to explore. So I think Moto Tour is pioneer when it comes to exploring the country. So I think more people have to join this tour.
Now, this day I realized that this bike expedition is not just about Tawang and Arunachal Pradesh, but you will also get to see a lot about Assam. And talking about Assam, this is one of the largest tea estates of the world. And not just the tea estates, but the only place where you'll find the one-horned rhinoceros at Kaziranga National Park. And today we started our day with early morning safari ride, a lot of elephants, one-horned rhinoceros of course, and a lot of birds and snakes as well. So we'll be leaving Assam and going to Arunachal Pradesh via Balukpong, and it's gonna be amazing. Right now it's so hot in here, but we'll move towards the Himalayas. So the riders were so excited. The journey, the bike ride to this pass was so beautiful, so amazing. So yeah, welcome to Tawang. Finally, after 2 days of riding in Assam.
इतना मज़ा आ रहा है कि I cannot talk, but just view, इतना बढ़िया व्यू कहीं से नहीं मिलता. Enjoying the view.
It is definitely a once in a lifetime experience. We experienced all forms of weather, be it sunny, be it snowfall, be it rainfall. It was really a memorable thing.
Hi, and this is the day 5 of Moto Tour's Tawang bike expedition, and finally we are in the city of Tawang. It's so beautiful, so peaceful. We actually needed that calm after such hectic ride of yesterday's, where each and every rider was soaked and drenched in that cold snow and rains, that today's day was such leisure that we actually needed it. So today was a very slow day. We woke up around 7 and 8. Our bodies needed a lot of rest. We had beautiful breakfast from a beautiful stay with a beautiful view. All of us today with no riding gears, we're all pitched and we have come for the Tawang local sightseeing. So we started with the giant Buddha statue overlooking the whole Tawang village. That was pretty beautiful. And right now we are at the world's second largest monastery and India's largest monastery, the Tawang Monastery. So we are on the way to Bumla at 15,000 feet. Currently हम 14,000 फीट पे अटक चुके हैं क्योंकि आगे बहुत तेज़ बर्फ़ गिर रही है और वहाँ पे BRO वाले थोड़ा क्लीन कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम लोगों को भी इतना मज़ा आ रहा है. We're making photos, we're making videos and it's so beautiful out there. It's like heaven on earth. So yeah, quite cool. So we are at Dirang waterfall, the largest waterfall of Arunachal Pradesh. And today's ride till here was 25 kilometers from Tawang to Jung, and the ride was mesmerizing. थोड़ी सी बारिश, थोड़ी सी हवा और बहुत सारी ठंड, but the riders were amazing. हमें यहाँ तक आने के लिए इतने सुंदर नज़ारे मिले and just look at it. So beautiful. It's a massive waterfall, and now we're gonna leave from here and head towards Dirang. So let's see how the rest of the journey goes.
ये जो माहौल है यहाँ का इतना सुंदर है कि आप एक बार विजिट करोगे, आप आओगे इधर, ये एक्सपीरियंस करोगे तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Okay, so this is day 8, the last ride of the Tawang Motor Tour Bike Expedition. Unfortunately, I myself and the riders are very sad that we have to go back home. But what can we do? We are going back with a lot of memories. And today's ride is a long ride of 300 kilometers. We've already finished 100 kilometers. Let's see what time we reach back home. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna say bye to Tawang today. So yeah.